Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Anila Qadri. I hope you all are doing good. Let's start today's lesson. मेरा सूट मेरे जूतों के साथ नहीं मिलता. This is all about again conversation about dressing, right? मेरा सूट मेरे जूतों के साथ नहीं मिलता. My dress does not match my shoes. मेरा सूट मेरे जूतों के साथ नहीं मिलता. My dress does not match my shoes. My dress does not match my shoes. ये मेरा पसंदीदा सूट है. Okay, this is my favorite dress. You all should know how to talk. ये मेरा पसंदीदा सूट है. This is my favorite dress. This is my favorite dress. आपको कौन सा सूट अच्छा लगता है? Which dress do you like? Question mark, interrogation is there. आपको कौन सा सूट अच्छा लगता है? Which dress do you like? Which dress do you like? मैंने ये सूट उधार लिया. I borrowed this dress. मैंने ये सूट उधार लिया. I borrowed this dress. I borrowed this dress. कपड़े निचोड़ दें. Wring the clothes. Okay. कपड़े निचोड़ दें. Wring the clothes. Okay, guys, there W you can see, but W is, this is not ring. No, this is ring. W is silent here. कपड़े निचोड़ दें. Wring the clothes. Please कपड़े इस्त्री कर दें. Please iron my clothes. Please कपड़े इस्त्री कर दें. Please iron my clothes. Please iron my clothes. Next one. मैंने जल्दी से कपड़े पहने. I threw on my clothes. Oh my God. Okay, whenever you wanna say मैंने कपड़े पहने, I put on, right? जल्दी से कपड़े पहने. I threw on my clothes. Right? I threw on my clothes. मैंने जल्दी से कपड़े पहने. I threw on my clothes. Next one. वो अपने कपड़े तह लगाती है. She folds her clothes. वो अपने कपड़े तह लगाती है. She folds her clothes. She folds her clothes. और वो अपने कपड़े तह लगाता है. He folds her clothes. Right? मैं कपड़े धो रही हूँ. I am doing the laundry. मैं कपड़े धो रही हूँ. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. Next one. वो कपड़ों को रगड़ रही है. She is rubbing the clothes. वो कपड़ों को रगड़ रही है. She is rubbing the clothes. Rubbing means रगड़ना, right? She is rubbing the clothes. आस्तीन चढ़ा लीजिए. Or you can say आस्तीन चढ़ा लें. Roll up the sleeves. Roll up the sleeves. आस्तीन चढ़ा लें. Roll up the sleeves. मेरे कपड़े साफ नहीं हैं. My clothes are not clean. My clothes are not clean. मेरे कपड़े साफ नहीं हैं. My clothes are not clean. अपने गीले कपड़े खुश्क कर लीजिए. Dry up your wet clothes. Dry up your wet clothes. अपने गीले कपड़े खुश्क कर लीजिए. Dry up your wet clothes. Next one. वो बगैर इस्त्री के कपड़े पहनता है. He wears clothes without ironing. He wears clothes without ironing. वो बगैर इस्त्री के कपड़े पहनता है. He wears clothes without ironing. Next one. मेरे कपड़े अब फट चुके हैं. My clothes are now worn out. मेरे कपड़े अब फट चुके हैं. My clothes are now worn out. My clothes are now worn out. Next one. वो अपने कपड़े लटका रही है. Simplest one. She is hanging her clothes. वो अपने कपड़े लटका रही है. She is hanging her clothes. Or if you want to say वो अपने कपड़े लटका रहा है, definitely you will have to change pronoun only. You will say he is hanging his clothes. Right? She is hanging her clothes. ये लिबास बहुत सस्ता लगता है. This dress seems very cheap. ये लिबास बहुत सस्ता लगता है. This dress seems very cheap. This dress seems very cheap. Next one. वो फैशनेबल कपड़े पहनना पसंद करती है. Oh my God. Very important sentence. वो फैशनेबल कपड़े पहनना पसंद करती है. She likes to wear fashionable clothes. Simplest one. She likes to wear fashionable clothes. वो फैशनेबल कपड़े पहनना पसंद करती है. She likes to wear fashionable clothes. कपड़े रस्सी पर लटक रहे हैं. Clothes are hanging on the rope. The word is rope, right? रस्सी. कपड़े रस्सी पर लटक रहे हैं. Clothes are hanging on the rope. Clothes are hanging on the rope. Next one. Next one. मेरे कपड़े धुले हुए नहीं हैं. Okay. My clothes are not washed. My clothes are not washed. मेरे कपड़े धुले हुए नहीं हैं. My clothes are not washed. सरफ के साथ कपड़े धोएं. Wash clothes with सरफ. सरफ के साथ कपड़े धोएं. Wash clothes with सरफ. Right? Like Surf Excel. Wash clothes with सरफ. Or surf, you can say. Next one. Next one. You guys need to practice with me of all these sentences. Okay, the next one. मैं इस सूट में फिट नहीं आता. I don't fit in this suit. मैं इस सूट में फिट नहीं आता. I don't fit in this suit. Or if you want to say मैं इस सूट में फिट नहीं आती. Same English will be I don't fit in this suit. I don't fit in this suit. Next one. अपनी कमीज अंदर कीजिए. Tuck in your shirt. Tuck in your shirt. अपनी कमीज अंदर कीजिए और अपनी शर्ट अंदर करें. Tuck in your shirt. Tuck in your shirt. Next one. एंजेलिना की तरह तैयारी करें. Okay. Dress up like Angelina. Dress up like Angelina. एंजेलिना की तरह तैयारी कीजिए. Dress up like Angelina. Dress up like Angelina. आपका सूट मेरे सूट की तरह है. Your dress is like mine. This is the simplest one. आपका सूट मेरे सूट की तरह है. Like whenever you see someone that the person is wearing the dress same like you definitely will use this sentence or statement. आपका सूट मेरे सूट की तरह है. Your dress is like mine. Your dress is like mine. वो पूरी तरह तैयार है. She is fully dressed up like she is ready to go. Okay? वो पूरी तरह तैयार है. She is fully dressed up. She is fully dressed up. मेरा कॉलर मत पकड़ो. Don't grab my collar. It is sometimes used in aggression, right? Whenever you try to hold someone from the collar, he or she can ask you, Don't grab my collar, please. मेरा कॉलर मत पकड़िए. Don't grab my collar. Don't grab my collar. मुझे ऐसी ड्रेसिंग करना अच्छा लगता है. Okay, I like dressing like this. मुझे ऐसी ड्रेसिंग करना अच्छा लगता है. I like dressing like this. I like dressing like this. So guys, this is all about today's lesson. I hope these two videos which were quite related to dressing were quite interesting for all of you. For my next video, do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning with Anila Qadri and press the bell icon. Thank you.